And this is the failure version. No, not 100% satisfied with what I'm seeing version. Here's what I crocheted in May. Be prepared, there won't be any colors, only black and white. These are not chronologically organized, as you can see this pile, but I will try to remember what I did in this month. I did a lot of other things too, so let's see. So the first one to introduce is this zigzag sweater vest, which I actually blocked in a sauna when I was on a holiday, because I just finished it there and then I wanted to take nice pictures there, and I wasn't really prepared and the timing was off, so I just had to block it in the sauna, you know, and it worked really nice. So if you're in Finland or Sweden or maybe somewhere in Germany, and then you have access to a sauna and then you're under a time pressure, then you can just block things in the sauna, because, you know, wet, steam, hot, it works perfect. You just lie down in the sauna for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, wait a bit, take it out, let it dry flat, and it works. So yeah, I blocked this in a spa hotel thingy sauna in Spreewald. Yeah, this is how it looks like when it's on. It has a more loose, oversized fit, but I think it looks very nice. And yeah, in the back is just straight, and then in the front there's this V-neck. And yeah, you just put some nude bra on under it, and then you can wear it in the, well, not summer, maybe it's a bit warm because this is now merino wool, but yeah, like in the spring or autumn you can wear it. It's really nice. I wore it a lot actually already. The next one, the little sibling of this vest, which is the same vest. It's the same pattern, but this one has bust shaping, and I was playing with the colors. As you can see, it's also not finished because I had to rage quit doing this. I just threw it to the side. But now I'm getting back to it because I calmed down, some time passed. Actually, this was, I think, end of April. I absolutely hated it after it was done, so that's why I didn't add the ribbing and weaved in the ends and so on, because I think it doesn't look as nice as it was in my head, and I know why. And but I just didn't get to. I just didn't have the time to make the next one, and then I forgot about it, and now I'm getting back to it. So I'm just gonna finish this one. So my plans for June. So I'm gonna finish this one finally. I'm gonna add an I cord edging because I really want to try out I cord with crochet. I haven't done it before, but it looks really cute. And also because of the fit of this vest, I don't want to add ribbing because then it would be too close. Yeah, so I'm gonna add I cord edging, finish weaving in the ends, finally finish writing the pattern, and then I can look for testers for both of these. Yeah, it's very similar, but with more fitted, like from bust down, more fitted style, and unfinished, and yeah, different colors. So actually, it's like a very different project, but construction is similar. So the two patterns will be matchy, and the patterns will be released together, so people can get like a bundle that you can get the more fitted one and the more loose one together, and maybe you can wear it with your friends together. That would be really cute, and, you know, have matchy. And then if they prefer more fitted or more loose, you know, you can combine it, so it's not that everyone has to get the same one. Yeah, but yeah, also in the back looks like this, and imagine that it's finished and it has a nice I cord edging or ribbing. I'm still considering. I will make a little swatch with the I cord to see if I like it, and maybe then I still do like a thinner ribbing, not so wide like on the other vest. But yeah, the next one is, so I'm like super into felting now, and I'm also teaching felting, and I have now a crochet and felting workshop, and I made a bunch of bags that should go on my online shop, but I haven't got around to take actual pictures of them that look nice because there's always something. But yeah, like I made a bunch of these bags. These are felted, like a Gürteltasche. I don't know what's that in English. Yeah, but you can like strap it. Oh wait, I have the strap. I think I have the strap somewhere. I don't know, but yeah, it's it's like a triangle. It's really cute. You can put your phone here. You can strap it here. There's a strap here, and here. It's really nice. And then there's different versions. Like there's this one, and then I have like, I don't know, 7 more. And then I have little purse matching with it, which is also super cute. This also is enough to put your phone in on your wallet or something when you're in the city. And then there's also a Japanese note bag version, which is also, I think, really cute. And I'm just so into it. I want to make hundreds of more, and then sell all of them, and also maybe have workshops teaching them if there's interest. I don't know, I have to see. Then I have, wait, here's the strap. Okay, so here's this three-way strap. I just put the small strap from the small bag to this, and now I will attach it to the Gürteltasche. So I have this cool, I don't know, crossbody bag thing going on. So yeah, something like this. I think it looks really cool, and it's also good because nobody can steal it off from you because you're attached. Yeah, and then there's the zipper, and you can have your phone here and wallet and so on. Nobody can rob you, and you look really stylish. And then I have, how many? 5 scarves, because I'm having a pattern tested at the moment, which is like a 6-in-1 scarf. And yeah, I made the different samples with it because it's essentially the same shape, but then you're changing colors in a different way, and then you get a lot of cool versions, and I wanted to show all of them. So here's one, and then you can wear it as a headscarf. I don't know how it's with my hair now, but or you can wear it as a scarf. Yeah, and then yeah, so this is like one version where it looks like a bit like a houndstooth pattern. I have the same scarf but in a bit smaller with ties, with the other color pattern, and then it can be like a summer bandana, like so. Yeah. And then I have one more big scarf, still same pattern but different color changes, same story. But I'm just gonna show you all the versions that I have. Okay. Yeah, and then there's again the same scarf with different pattern. This one looks more like dots. I really like this one, it's very cute. I want to make more of it. I'm more with the same stitch and color combo, and but maybe like a different design, like a bra top or something. I really like this stitch, and there's so many cool versions. Okay, like so. And then the last one, this is more just stripy, but the stripes have this little like teeth, zigzags or something. Yeah. Okay, and then the last one is this experiment. I wanted to make a bra using the same stitch, but it's, well, I can show it to you. I will put something under because it would be a bit explicit, because I used a bit too big hook with the stitch, and then you will see. But this is the last one. I finished this actually in June, like yesterday, the day before. Well, finished, you can see there's like million ends hanging out. But yeah, finished so that I can put it on my body. So here's how it looks. Here's the experiment. As you can see, it's yeah, not very family friendly at the moment. Like I said, this is a sketch, so I'm gonna make a different version with more tight tension and yeah, maybe different stitch and different size. So everything will be different, but the main idea will be the same. It would have this cross back thing, and then you can tie it in here and so on. It's actually really like sturdy, so these are not going anywhere even if I jump or so on. Actually, I made it for dancing because I wanted some nice new outfit for dancing, and I can crochet, so why not make my own and do whatever I want. I have to still work on this one. This is now a sketch, okay? But then maybe something really cool will come out of it. Let's see. So this is it, my first YouTube video. Yay! Yeah, let me know if you liked it. Which project did you like? Are you interested in the patterns and so on? Or you can also say if you didn't like something, it's fine. And also, yeah, sorry about the quality. I have to learn how to do this better, okay? After watching this video, you might be wondering, okay, but none of this was made in May, right? Actually, yeah, look, the scarves, they were all done in May. Like, because one scarf is done super quickly, like in one afternoon or two, depending on how much time I have. Or if I'm like on the train, because I usually crochet on the train or U-Bahn or something. If I have to go to the other side of Berlin, or if I have to go somewhere else, because what else am I going to do? And yeah, crocheting is amazing. So that's what I do usually. And yeah, like these ones were actually, I can say I made them in May because I crocheted them in April, and I'm pretty sure I felted them in the beginning of May. So that still counts. But yeah, I hope you liked it, and yeah, see you soon.